Hey guys, what is up? What is up? Today is laundry day, so I thought I would show you our washing machine and do a little review. This here is the Panasonic NA F8 FA9 8.5 kilogram Stainmaster with active foam system. This is a low pressure washer, great for the Philippines, living out here in the province. You only have one water line, so it only has a cold water, which we hook up to our spigot here. It's got a drain hose. We just run it like that. It's real easy to use. You just press the power, and then you select your water level, and then you hit start. That's it. Water level depending on how much clothes you have in there. The soap goes in here. Soap and your your softener. You can see it's not very large. I actually carry this out by myself every time we go to use it. It's got nice handles on the side. One there. One there. I just grab it and bear hug it. Of course, I'm a pretty big guy. Well, I hope you like it. We love it. And I'm sure you will too. I'll put a listing so you can see the price. It's in PHP, Filipino pesos. So you have to do the conversion. All right, guys. Take care. Peace.